comfortable. It's been warm, but comfortable. I'm dreading those triple digits.
Unfortunately, they are just around the corner, but any day that is spent below those triple digits across Kern County is welcomed in July, and that's exactly what we were feeling today. High temperatures across the county, a high of 99 degrees in Ridgecrest, so just shy of that 100-degree mark. 95 is a high in Cal City, 92 for us here in Bakersfield, and 76 as a high in Tehachapi. So these temperatures are below seasonal, and that is going to be the trend for at least one more day. But this evening, we are going to be seeing winds picking up, especially in our mountain and desert cities. 74 degrees in Tehachapi at this hour, dropping down to 64 by 10 p.m. 83 in Mojave and down to 74 as we head into the afternoon. But those winds are going to be picking up. That's because our latest storm system has made its way into the Pacific Northwest. That's going to be the case again for your Tuesday, but we are going to be dry with that increase in winds, especially in those mountain and desert regions. Gusts could be reaching up to 30 miles per hour, but thankfully air quality is going to be staying in the moderate range for at least the next day. We will have an AQI of 90 tomorrow. But let's talk about these temperatures staying at or below seasonal through Wednesday and then slowly warming up to a high of 98 degrees by Thursday, and the return of the triple digits by Friday, Saturday, as well as into next week. The warmest day of the week looks to be on Saturday with the high of 105. This looks to be our second heat wave of the season. The Kern River Valley will have a high of 88 degrees tomorrow. Tehachapi and Fraser Park in those upper 70s, low 80s. So again, very similar to what we were feeling today. Below seasonal, not too bad. But then the next few days, it's going to be warming right on up what we expect for July.
Yep, I was going to say, this is normal. As you pointed out, this is what we are used to. We've just been kind of...
We've been lucky.
Oh, yeah.
Find your favorite pool. All right,